Hello, Sid and Rebecca, and I'm just going to give you the walking video tour here of this beautiful oasis that is just, oh, the landscaping alone is worth it. Just the paths and the little sanctuaries. You got the goldfish there inside. Just really, wow, just what a backyard. Just phenomenal. The foliage and just how it's all very, very nicely designed. Here's the house. And we're going to come over here to the other part of the backyard here, which is like a side yard with the pond, and it's just gorgeous. This is because it's a gated section, little community here. It's very, very quiet here. All the houses in this area are very, very nice next to each other. They're all quality construction. This is the side of the house. You have the cedar shingles. And we're going to come over here to the front. And we'll just come on in here. Nice dining area. Here's the kitchen with the island. Gas stove. Here's that side back area that we were just at earlier. Guest bathroom here. And it also has a shower. Nice sitting living room area here. This is the stairwell going up to the second floor. Here's the laundry facilities. Has a nice folding table area. And then from the laundry, you can go into the garage space. Looks like a single car garage. You have a huge driveway, but the actual garage is single car, but it is quite deep for plenty of storage. Let's go on upstairs. Nice privacy window here. I always like those. People aren't looking in. So this is the landing at the top of the stairs. You've got a laundry chute here. I always love those. Let's go out to the upstairs balcony. This is off of the landing at the stairs. Nice little private little balcony section. I always like the privacy walls as well, so that way you can feel like you can just relax. You can see the driveway is very, very large. That's our car there, and you could easily put, gosh, probably 6 cars just right there. Little vanity sink. Here's one bedroom. Again, we're on the 2nd floor. And this is right off the landing. What looks like is this. You have the water closet room. And shower, double lavs. Nice jetted jacuzzi tub. So that is a Jack and Jill style master bathroom that goes from that bedroom there. This is all shared space, very, very large. And this goes to the next bedroom. Okay, so they have the built-in cabinetry there that's nice and private. And then another balcony here. Again, that's that side yard area that we showed you earlier. Very, very nice. It's nice to always have balconies, especially around here. And nice double high built-ins, closets. Closets. So this would definitely be the master bedroom. And then we go back here to the landing.